Today, mag-solve na pod ko og laing problem in application sa gravimetric methods of analysis. So ako ni siyang i-share with the hope nga ang mga students nga maka-view ani sa YouTube maka-help nila, especially katong mga students nga medyo nag-struggle sa ilahang analytical chemistry, particularly on topic gravimetric methods of analysis. So this is the problem. What mass in grams of carbon dioxide is evolved in the complete decomposition of a 2.300 gram sample, that is 38.0% magnesium carbonate and 42.0% potassium carbonate by mass? So ang atong sample is 2.300 gram, and this 2.300 gram sample consists of 38.0% magnesium carbonate and 42.0% potassium carbonate. And then from this composition, we are asked to calculate mass of carbon dioxide in grams. So before we can calculate the mass of carbon dioxide, ang first step is we have to solve the mass of magnesium carbonate and mass of potassium carbonate. So to calculate the mass of magnesium carbonate, that is simply 38.0% of 2.300 grams of sample, while mass of potassium carbonate is simply 42.0% of 2.300 grams sample. Now, to calculate the mass of magnesium carbonate, that is simply 38.0% divided by 100, and that becomes 0.380. And we multiply this by 2.300 grams sample, so the result is 0.874 grams magnesium carbonate. Now, for potassium carbonate, the mass of potassium carbonate is simply 42.0% divided by 100, and that becomes 0.42. And we multiply this by 2.300 grams sample. The result is 0.966 grams of potassium carbonate. Now, we have two sources of carbon dioxide. We have carbon dioxide from magnesium carbonate, and we also have carbon dioxide from potassium carbonate. So to solve for the mass of carbon dioxide in the sample, we have to use this formula. Mass of carbon dioxide is equal to the mass of magnesium carbonate times this gravimetric factor. For carbon dioxide from magnesium carbonate, our gravimetric factor is molar mass of carbon dioxide over the molar mass of magnesium carbonate. And for the calculation of carbon dioxide, mass of carbon dioxide from potassium carbonate, that is simply mass of potassium carbonate times this gravimetric factor. Our gravimetric factor here is the molar mass of carbon dioxide over the molar mass of potassium carbonate. Now we substitute the value. For the mass of magnesium carbonate, that is equal to 0.874. So here it is. And this is our gravimetric factor. The molar mass of carbon dioxide and the molar mass of magnesium carbonate, plus the mass of potassium carbonate here, and then times the gravimetric factor, which is the molar mass of carbon dioxide over the molar mass of potassium carbonate. Now, if we are going to simplify this, the result is 0.764 grams of carbon dioxide. So, I hope my solution is clear and nasabtan clearly sa mga students na nag-view ni ining maong lecture video. So, thank you for viewing.